The next is to work with community. What are these communities? Let's find it out. So something like a Facebook group or a LinkedIn group, you can build your own group and your community right here. So that's a community here, and you can click on create a group. You can give this group a name, a group a slug, enter a brief description. You can add some favicons and the cover image and the logo. Once you have done all of this, it looks something like this. I click on login. So that's how your community is going to look like. The discussion, the learning, the members in the community, and the leaderboards. Very similar to how any group works. You have the option to switch to dark mode. You can look at the different, you can go back to courses, all the notifications in your account, and that's all. Coming back to communities, you can set up the community settings. You can set up a subdomain, a custom domain, and the community would be live on that domain. So that's setting up communities. Pretty easy and pretty quick. Should you have any questions on this, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section and I'll be happy to help.